In the fitness world, trendy tools like the foam roller can be met with a lot of praise. Sometimes, however, the merits can be overstated. While we have nothing against tools that make your workouts more effective, some of the claims that accompany them might be misleading. The foam roller is a self-massaging device that works by using your own body weight to stimulate different regions of your body. Fitness enthusiasts use the foam roller to ease sore muscles after a workout, improve blood circulation, and increase mobility. Writing for RehabU.com, certified athletic therapist Maylin Dovan claims, "It's comparable to a self-induced massage and gained popularity because it is easy, affordable, and time-efficient. Yes, it feels good, and like anything in the fitness industry, it also became a fad." One of the more popular benefits attributed to foam rolling is that it can break up adhesions and scar tissue. Experts beg to differ, however. To start off with, human tissue is not that easy to manipulate. In fact, it's pretty hardy. Doctor of Physical Therapy Quinn Hennock shared that while research on rats showed promise when it came to remodeling tissue by exerting scraping-like pressure on ligaments, the same was not true for experiments on humans.
What we found in human models is that we're unable to recreate that type of pressure.
While there is research to suggest that foam rolling can increase your range of motion, Maylin Dovan added that this is just one step in the direction of improving mobility. Your mobility includes other elements too, like motor control and strength. The instant increase in range of motion may make you feel like you've hacked the problem of restricted mobility, but consistently working on all areas concerned is what's going to deliver lasting results. A 2019 meta-analysis published in Frontiers in Physiology found that foam rolling provided only a small improvement in sprint and flexibility performance, and there was a negligible effect on jump and strength activity when a foam roller was used as a pre-workout tool. The study concluded that a foam roller might be better as a pre-workout tool than a recovery device. Additionally, according to a 2016 study published in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy, foam rolling improved flexibility, but only up to 10 minutes post-treatment. In addition to the claim that foam rolling as a recovery tool can ease muscle tightness, there is also the idea that it can elongate muscles and make them more pliable. According to coach and physical therapist John Russin, the latter is also a myth. People might perceive muscle lengthening and pliability because of how foam rollers can increase their range of motion. What is happening, in fact, is that the recovery tool is reducing tension in your muscles, and this is giving you more range of motion. Your muscles aren't elongating because of the recovery tool. Finally, there's the idea that you can foam roll every body part. However, this might be a classic case of finding relief for a particularly problematic body part while using a recovery tool, and then assuming the same can work for all areas. According to New York-based sports medicine physician and author Dr. Jordan Metzl, what you should be avoiding are the bony bits like the ankles, shins, knees, bony areas on your hips, the bony regions of your pelvis, and your shoulder blades. Your ribs are another area to avoid. Rolling over bony bits means you're setting yourself up for unnecessary pain that comes from friction between the foam roller and harder body parts. In light of these misleading claims, should you be using foam rollers then? Experts seem to agree that foam rolling can improve your perception of pain and boost blood flow to the areas that are being massaged. They act as a part of the puzzle when it comes to warm-up, recovery, and fitness, so it's definitely not the worst thing you can possibly do after a workout. Plus, according to a 2022 systematic review and meta-analysis published in Sports Medicine, foam rolling, when done for a duration of 4 weeks or more, could increase muscle and joint-specific range of motion.